Welcome to Craft Therapy. In today's video, I will unbox a home sewing machine. I will also describe the features of this machine. The machine I am unboxing is JUKI HZL70. After opening the box, you will get some accessories like a product manual, CD, a hard case, a power cable, and a pedal. Let's have a look at the machine. It's a medium-sized compact sewing machine. JUKI is famous for industrial sewing machine, but they also have some home sewing machine like this one. There is an accessories box near the needle plate. Here you will get some more accessories. You can open the front part for hemming. One of the best part of this machine is it has 80 patterns, and in this tray you can have all the patterns. Let's start the machine. You can see that it has a pretty powerful LED light. Now let's show you some basic functions of JUKI home sewing machine. At first, I am going to show you needle threading. Please follow the instructions. It is very interesting. Another interesting thing is this machine does not require bobbin case. It has a built-in bobbin case inside. Let's do some sewing. First we will set the mode, that is plain stitch mode. The 01 in display means plain stitch number, which indicates that we can do plain stitch. The moment you drop the pressure foot, the machine becomes ready for sewing. As you can see, the light turns green. Let's see again. Before start sewing, you have to lock it with this auto lock button. Then after pressing start button, it will start sewing. you can see that the speed is very low. With this sliding bar, you can increase or decrease the speed. The maximum speed of this machine is 800 stitch per minute. The machine has a built-in blade where you can cut the thread. The stitch quality is pretty good. There are 3 modes. First one is stitch pattern, second one is stitch width, third one is stitch length. In conclusion, I am very satisfied with this machine. It is very smart machine. The electricity consumption is also low. I am using it for the last 1 year and so far I am satisfied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box.